How's it going, everybody? I'm Drifty from Driftwood Gaming, and welcome back to Drifty's Life of the Kingdom. This is version 0.3.11 alpha, and so this is where we're at. We got to start. I got a world select. You can use the keyboard or the mouse to go forward. We're in here. I've updated it so that this only cycles like every 5 seconds. When the time passes, that's when the sand falls. I'm gonna try to make it like fall according to where it's at. Also, I made it so that this graphic freezes in the right spot now. So if I press tab here, you can see like it freezes the time. The time is frozen, and you can tell the time is frozen because this thing is like stopped where it's at and whatnot. Anyway, like I think it just, yeah, it's mostly working, right? Yeah, that's good enough. Anyway. What else have I added? The character menu is mostly the stuff that I put in. I'm not 100% satisfied with all these icons. They don't even have the same resolutions, and like, you know, you can tell that this is like more high quality than this one and whatnot. As I find better ones, I'll go through and change them. This is what I put the most work on in the past few days. This skills that I've gotten from iteration 2, I put it in iteration 3, and you can see that I can cycle through all of these skills right here, and all of these skills are in the game. I started the character with 50 to all just so that you can see the bars halfway filled. I gave myself 50 free points. The total isn't adding up properly yet. I haven't even put that in yet. I just set it to 999, so I'm going to get to that next. But you can see that I've coded all these buttons in, so if I try to click on the buttons, it will take a point and it will add to the right thing, and it will refresh the UI, and we can go through here, and let's just max one out to make sure that they gray out when you run out of SP. I think that I already checked all this stuff. I know it works. I'm just kind of showing it. You cap at 100. I made it so that you can't waste points after that. So let's go ahead and spend the rest of these points. You'll see that all these plus buttons switch to like a gray scale. And, you know, it's like, hey, you've got no free points. You can't spend them. So it's a nice little update to that. And yeah, so that's the skill point system is in. And that works. I've added a new tab here for states. Haven't done anything yet to it. Same thing with the combat. I already had that. So we'll have some that will give like all of the specifics of your stats, like your accuracy and your evasion and your chance to magic reflect and your chance to blah, 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 all those things, chance to do a state on hit. All this stuff will be in here under states and combat. And then this is for your skills. And then general will be like your stats and your main thing. And then your experience bar. I have it here. I'm kind of tempted of making like a yellow bar that goes from top to bottom somewhere to represent the experience. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll stick to green since I'm already using green here. But yeah, that's basically it. I think I've already showed off a lot of the game, so we can interact and we can pick a name. We say something and you can see that this appears. We can do transfer events. We're on a different map. We've got this battle in here. The enemies, AI, I've got one AI for the enemies and a basic skeleton that just follows the player, gets to a certain distance, and then it'll just, create an object that will collide with the player, and the player gets hit. He flashes red. When they do their action, they flash white. I had a bug a little while ago that I just recently fixed where they would both flash white when one of them swinged, so I fixed that by making the shader that I put on them unique and other things as well. I don't have a game over screen. I'm going to probably start the player like back at the campsite saying, hey, I found you. You were passed out, blah, blah, blah. You lost 1% of your experience, or some like very minor slap on the wrist. Hey, don't die. I don't know. Maybe we'll make an option where we'll allow permadeath. I think I definitely want to allow permadeath so that, hey, your character's dead, because some people want to play that more hardcore rogue style where like one playthrough and they're dead. If they die, then they have to make a new character. So I think I'll make permadeath as an option. And the option is, anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Love you guys very much. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, favorite, share, subscribe, all that stuff. We'll see you guys. Join us in the Discord. Have a good day. Have a good week, and we'll see you on the next one.